Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create an account on eBay. So just head over to eBay app. So from here, a window will pop up and from here, you can easily access create an account button. Just click on it. So from here, you can either just log in with your Google account or your Facebook account. And you can also create a business account if that's the type of account that you want to create. But you can also just simply fill out all the necessary information here, such as your email, your first name, and last name. Next is they're going to ask you to create a password. Then once done, just click on create an account. And from there, you have now successfully created an eBay account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!